Number 2, find the product of 10111 base 2 and 1011 base 2, leaving your answer in binary, meaning that you should leave your answer in base 2. Solution. We have 1 0 1 1 1, and we have from the back. You write this from the back, same position. 1 1 1 1, then 0 1. So we multiply. Multiplying now. Now we start. 1 times 1, we have 1. Then 1 times 1, also we have 1. 1 times 1, we have 1. 1 times 0, we have 0. 1 times 1, then we have 1. Now, the next one. 1 times 1, we have what? 1. 1 times 1, we have what? 1. Then 1 times 1, we have what? 1. 1 times 0, we have what? 0. And 1 times 1, we have what? 1. Now, the next thing to consider 0 now. Using 0 to multiply. 0 times 1, we have what? Look at the position of 0 to be here. 0. Because 0 is here initially. So look at it. 0 times 1, we have 0. Very important. 0 times 1, we have what? 0. 0 times 1, we have 0. Now 0 times 0, we have 0. Now 0 times 1, we have 0. Also, we now use 1 now, using 1 to multiply. 1 times 1, we have what? Look at the position of 1. 1 times 1, we have what? 1. 1 times 1, we have what? 1. 1 times 1, we have what? 1. 1 times 0, what do we have? 0. Then 1 times 1, what do we have? 1. Now we add together to get our final answer. Adding. Adding, we have, this is 1. Then 1 plus 1, that is 1 0 base 2. So that is, we are going to write 0, then we carry 1. 1 plus 1, what do we have? That is 1 0. Plus 1, that will be 1 1. Plus 0, that's still 1 1. So we write 1 1, we write 1, carry 1 here. Because we have 1 1 here. We write 1, we carry 1. 1 plus 0, what do we have? 1 plus 1, what do we have? That is 1 0. Then plus 0, that is 1 0. Plus 1, we have 1 1. So we write 1, we carry 1. Now, 1 plus 1, we have 1 0. Plus 0, plus 0, then we have 1 0. Plus 1 now, what do we have? 1 1. We write 1, then we carry 1. Now, 1 plus 1, we have 1 0. Then plus 0, we have 1 0. Then plus 1, what do we have? We have 1 1. We write 1, then we carry 1. 1 plus 0, that is 1. Then we have 1 left here, which is 1. So the answer to the problem is 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 base 2. That is the product to what we have to find. And this is the solution to the problem. Thank you.